today we're going to make the styrofoam a heart instead of the little car. So we need some styrofoam, obviously, and a marker. So first we're going to draw a little heart. Then you can write a little message. Okay. My other heart. First item. Base. Okay, I'm just going to oh no. My heart almost broke. What? Okay, I got my heart out. And just take out the extra rough parts. Okay, a little heart. Now I draw it again. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Okay, I have to trace this one. So, and plus, if you haven't seen the car, please watch it. It's very easy and fun to do. Very easy. So shiny and glossy. And please watch all my other videos because they're very interesting. And now we're done our parts. Now we have to grab tape. I don't care what type of tape you have. It just has to be tape or glue. Okay, now I have a tape. I'm gonna fold that, just like sticky, and then put it on the heart and stick them together. If they're not the same shape, just break it. Not like break it, like break it until it's the same shape. And it might not look like a heart, but that's okay. Now we're gonna use plastic wrap. Plastic wrap. And now grab it. Okay, you only need a little bit. If you don't have plastic wrap, you can use clear tape, or you don't even have to use it done. You can just leave it like that. You can color yours before adding the stuff like this. But I'm not gonna do that. So you know what you have to do, just wrap it, get all the corners on top. Oh, make sure it's like facing the back side in front of you if you have one, or just grab the tape, and then rip it, and then there you have it. Oh my gosh, and a little card. And I'll see you in our next video, which is making a squishy. And I'll see you. Bye.